Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discovery Plus on Vizio TV. Quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Discovery Plus on your Vizio TV, begin by turning on your TV. Next, press the home button on your remote to access the Smart TV menu. Navigate to the Apps section and locate the Discovery Plus app. If you don't see it, go to the App Store to download it. Once the app is installed, open Discovery Plus from your app list. You will see the option to sign in or start a free trial. If you're a new user, select the option to start a free trial. Follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. If you already have an account, choose the Sign In option. Enter your email address and password to log in. After logging in, you will receive an activation code on your screen. Take note of this code as you'll need it for the next steps. Now, grab a computer or smartphone and go to the Discovery Plus activation website. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Click the Activate button to link your account. Return to your Vizio TV, and you should see a confirmation message. You are now ready to enjoy Discovery Plus on your Vizio TV. Explore movies, shows, and documentaries available on the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.